Implementing reliable accounting software such as NetSuite can help your business implement effective and efficient financial processes to help your business flourish. NetSuite's comprehensive capabilities and features can help accounting processes within your business easier to implement. Number 1. Build custom business processes with NetSuite's workflow. NetSuite's workflow can help you gain better control over your business processes. It can help you build automated business processes that include the management of accounts, paying bills, and identifying inconsistencies in the reckon statement. Number 2. Boost data security using NetSuite's roles. Creating and assigning roles within NetSuite is one of the important functions the software can offer, as it boosts the security of your data. The Roles feature allows you to assign bespoke rules to different members within the business, allowing them to access the information relevant to their function. Number 3. Get custom reports. NetSuite offers businesses the ability to summarize essential data and create reports. This is a fundamental feature of this business software. They can pull data from several sources and deep dive with detailed automated reports. These insights are crucial to improving business performance and keeping them competitive. The ability to enter receipts and the associated expenses as they occur should assist in eliminating the entry errors that can be lost when they are performed in batches. Number 4. Keep track of customer interactions. Catching up on customer interactions utilizing show activity is one of the simple functions within the software to help you dive deeper into your customer relationships. Number 5. Using RSS feeds. RSS is short for Rich Site Summary. Using RSS feeds allows different divisions or teams in your business to help keep updated with each other. The function allows information updates to get posted. Building a feed only takes a few minutes and can be displayed in NetSuite's dashboard. This will be available for all relevant team members to see. At Fusion, our CPAs understand and use the blanket of features within NetSuite to increase efficiency and transparency with the information provided.